What's up, guys? You already know what we're talking about today. The best thing to do to have a fulfilling career later in life. Let's talk about it right now. Come join the party, yeah! So the title is for the guys, but if you're a girl, you can still use some of these tips. It's still pretty useful. So fellas, I'd like you to ask yourself, what am I good at? Now for me, I'm good at planning, managing projects, coordinating tasks, coordinating events, and building strong relationships. I have an eye for attention to detail. I'm very perceptive, and I have a love for accuracy and efficiency. I am highly intellectual, so I would definitely need a career that's going to be attuned to more of these traits that I have than few of them. I think you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, most of my traits need to be employed in my career. For you, you may have some similar or your own special traits or inclinations that would make a different career or maybe a similar career best for you. What's important is that you recognize this as early as possible, and it's really huge. Like, if you're young, if you're in your teens or your early 20s, it may not seem like that big a deal, but trust me, it is a really big deal, okay? So it's important to recognize it right now. If you need to, you can definitely work with a career counselor that can help you dive deeper into some of your strengths and give you some ideas on some career opportunities that might work for you. So the goal here is to choose a major that's in alignment with your abilities, and furthermore, to choose a major that's going to be in demand in the future. So if you can do that, you're doing yourself a huge favor, because you'll always be employed and you'll always feel fulfilled, and you're using your natural abilities, talents, and inclinations. To get either of those things, you can definitely research trends or hire a career counselor to help you dive deeper, but you definitely want to do that before you take some next steps. Those two things will have a huge influence on how happy you are, how fulfilled you are in your career, and I'm telling you, get it while you're young, all right? This is probably like the biggest thing for your entire lifetime, okay? Like, you will have no regrets, all right? So yeah, don't have regrets when you get 30 and 40 and 50 and 60, you know? Like, yeah, like, do yourself a favor. But hey guys, that's it for that part of the video, but I do want to invite you to our Discord server, link in description. We have a positive community. We do weekly tournaments, weekly giveaways, weekly competitions, okay? So look, we play games together all the time, and I'm about to play some games in the next segment, all right? So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the gameplay. All right, so I'm playing with randoms again, and last time my randoms let me down big time. Okay, I need to get my health up a little bit. I knew they was gonna come. Oh, I'm just trying to keep you healed, buddy. Don't get too confident about it, though. All right. All right. Oh, I'm probably gonna die. Oh, I'm frozen. Come on. I hate this thing. Come on. My whole team is down. Really? Oh, come on, guys. Dude, don't push so hard. Dude, pay attention to the ball. Oh, we're effed. Thank you, man. I know our team pretty much effing suck right now, but I am so happy you did that. Alright, dude, don't touch that effing ball until we defend effing mother effing. Oh, what is my team? Now watch my team start playing God tier, like, we got scored on. Now we gotta... Oh. Come on, guys. We're dead. It is sad. I know, bro. My whole team is sad, bro. Ah! Yeah. Oh my god, this team is sad, bro. Bro, what else you want me to do, bro? You know, like, oh my god, bro. I need them to pull their own weight, bro. But look, that's gonna be it for that part. So remember, the world is dangerous, so protect your energy. Trust me, I'm a doctor. I'll see you tomorrow. Next time.
Looking back through time, we've shared a lot of tears, but